Dirty Man Safe is a discreet home security solution designed to blend with furniture and decor while providing robust firearm storage. Built with reinforced steel, biometric access options, and quiet retraction mechanisms, it secures weapons quickly without drawing attention. Ideal for homeowners seeking rapid access paired with covert protection, it balances safety, stealth, and everyday usability. Quick Strike is a compact, rapid deployment security device designed for personal defense and emergency access control. Featuring a quick activate locking mechanism and tamper-resistant construction, it secures drawers, cabinets, or vehicular compartments in seconds. Lightweight and user-friendly, Quick Strike offers an extra layer of protection for sensitive items in home or travel scenarios. Woodworks Couch blends artisan woodworking with concealed storage innovation. This handcrafted sofa integrates hidden compartments and optional reinforced gun lockers, marrying luxury upholstery with security. Ideal for high-end interiors where aesthetics matter, it provides comfortable seating while discreetly protecting valuables and firearms behind elegant woodwork. The Murphy Bed Gun Case is a space-saving security system that mounts within a fold-down bed frame. When the bed is stowed, the reinforced compartment remains locked and concealed. When deployed, authorized users access weapons quickly via biometric or keypad entry. It's a tactical solution for compact living spaces that require immediate, secure firearm access. The Vaultec RS Slider is a slim, slide-out safe engineered for underdesk, in-vehicle, or concealed cabinet installation. Constructed from hardened steel with electronic locking and impact protection, it combines fast access with discreet placement. Smooth rails and low-profile mounting make the RS Slider a favored choice for professionals who need covert, reliable storage. Tesla Under-Screen Storage is a low-profile in-cabin compartment engineered to fit below the central display, offering hidden storage for valuables and small gear. Precision molded to Tesla interiors, it preserves aesthetics while delivering lockable, vibration-damped storage. Perfect for daily drivers who want secure, out-of-sight organization without aftermarket clutter. Tactical Wall's framed mirror conceals a full-length storage cavity behind a genuine mirror face. With hidden latches and customizable interior shelving or lockboxes, it doubles as tasteful decor and secure concealment. Ideal for hospitality, residential, or executive spaces, the mirror integrates security seamlessly into everyday interiors. Phantom Void is a modular concealment system designed for irregular or architectural voids behind panels, under stairs, or within built-ins. Engineered with configurable compartments and reinforced locking, it adapts to unique spaces while maintaining quick authorized access. Architects and homeowners use Phantom Void to incorporate security without compromising design. Balzblock is a compact ballistic storage module focused on weapon retention and safe transport. Its reinforced shell, integrated locking, and internal baffles reduce motion and secure contents during transit. Designed for tactical professionals and collectors, Balzblock offers a rugged, transportable solution that meets strict safety standards. Skoda umbrella holders are OEM-style in-vehicle mounts that secure umbrellas and long items safely within door cavities or trunks. Built to match interior finishes, they prevent rolling cargo and provide easy access for inclement weather. Durable, neatly integrated, and vehicle-specific, these holders are a small convenience with real practical value. Beer Safe is a clever refrigerated lockbox designed for beverages and valuables perfect for rental property hosts, events, or outdoor hospitality. Combining temperature control with keyed or electronic locking, it protects chilled goods while preventing unauthorized access. Practical for cabins, pool areas, or mobile catering, Beer Safe blends utility with controlled access. This party accessory hammer is a novelty-grade tool designed for themed events and props, built with safe materials and visual authenticity. While it resembles a working hammer, it's engineered for display or light staging use balanced for handling, cosmetically realistic, and compliant with event safety standards. Ideal for immersive party decor and photo ops. The party accessory toilet brush is a whimsical decor prop crafted for novelty environments and themed venues. Constructed from durable, washable materials with a stylish finish, it provides the look without the typical utility concerns. It's intended for staging, humor, or branding moments where playful attention to detail matters. Lock a Key is a compact personal key retention device that physically blocks unauthorized key access. Installed discreetly on key rings or mounted near entrances, it prevents tampering and allows only authorized release via combination or electronic authorization. Perfect for rental hosts, property managers, or families needing controlled access to spare keys. The tactical Murphy door integrates a concealed security compartment into a hinged wall door that blends with interior finishes. When closed, it appears as a normal door. When opened, it reveals reinforced storage with locking and configurable shelving for firearms or valuables. Designed for safer rooms and discreet security, it's a high-grade option for homes and offices. Slid-away Canvas Safe is a lightweight, portable concealment pouch designed to slide between mattress and frame or behind upholstery. Reinforced with flexible ballistic fabric and a low-profile zipper, it secures documents, small electronics, and compact valuables. Quick to deploy and easy to hide, it suits travelers and renters seeking non-invasive security. Cambridge Bookcase is a classic-styled shelving unit engineered with an integrated, lockable rear compartment sized for long gun storage. With wood veneer finishes and smart interior configuration, it masks security within elegant cabinetry. Ideal for study rooms or libraries, it provides discreet, climate-protected storage that preserves both aesthetics and safety. Movable Spaces Kitchen is a modular compact kitchen system designed for tiny homes and mobile units, featuring secure, lockable pantry modules and concealed compartments. Built for adaptability, it integrates reinforced storage for valuables and offers quick-access drawers with optional biometric locks, combining culinary function with practical security in compact living. Bellwood Design's Coat Rack is an artisan wall rack with hidden storage behind polished wooden panels. Beyond hanging space, it conceals slim lockboxes for wallets, keys, or small firearms. Crafted from premium hardwoods, it elevates entryway design while providing discreet, convenient security for everyday carry items. Headrest Safe is an automotive security accessory that fits behind vehicle headrests, offering a quick-access, padded lockbox for small valuables. Designed to match upholstery and resist tampering, it provides discreet in-cab storage for drivers who want immediate access while keeping items out of plain sight. The Black Sheep Rear Light Drawer is a covert storage drawer engineered into a vehicle's rear light housing area, or near bumper, using low-profile access panel. Built with corrosion-resistant materials and secure latching, it integrates into automotive bodywork to hide tools, documents, or small gear without altering vehicle appearance. The Guitar Rifle Case is a cleverly disguised hard case that resembles a musical instrument container while internally configured to secure long firearms. Reinforced padding, lockable latches, and transport-grade hinges provide both concealment and protection for collectors or professionals who need discreet, secure transit solutions. Car hiding places refers to purpose-designed concealment compartments integrated into modern vehicles under seats, inside panels, or behind trim engineered for secure, out-of-sight storage. These factory-style or aftermarket solutions use tamper-resistant latches and padding to protect valuables while maintaining seamless vehicle aesthetics. The Q-Line Safeguard coffee table combines contemporary furniture design with built-in secure storage. A heavy-duty lockbox is hidden beneath the tabletop, accessible only through a discrete mechanism or electronic key. Tailored for living rooms or lobbies, it merges everyday functionality with covert security, ideal for securing documents or small valuables within plain sight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.